Huge medical breakthrough. 8 healthy babies have been born in the United Kingdom using an experimental IVF technique involving DNA from 3 people: the biological mother, the father, and a third donor who contributes healthy mitochondria. This is a game changer for families with a history of devastating mitochondrial disease, rare genetic disorders that can cause muscle weakness in babies, seizures, developmental delays, and even early death. Now, these diseases are passed down from mothers through faulty mitochondria, the tiny batteries of our cells. That's what it is. Here's how the technique works. Scientists now remove the mother's nuclear DNA, the material that determines most of the traits, and place it into a donor egg with healthy mitochondria. The donor egg's own nuclear DNA is first removed, so only the healthy mitochondria remains. The egg is then fertilized with the father's sperm. This way, the baby carries 99.9% of the DNA from both the parents and less than 1% of the DNA from the donor. It's called mitochondrial donation or 3-parent IVF, and it was legalized in the UK in 2016 for very specific cases. The latest research published in the New England Journal of Medicine shows 8 babies are now born free of mitochondrial diseases so far, with one more on the way. So this has been an absolute success in the UK. Scientists stress that this is not genetic engineering. The donor DNA does not affect the baby's appearance or personality. It's simply a way to give children a shot to life without any diseases. Experts call this a triumph of science and hope. In fact, it opens doors for families, though it remains banned in many countries, including the US and Canada, due to ethical and regulatory concerns. But for now, this marks a new era of reproductive medicine, one where 3 people can safely create a life and a deadly, disease-free one. We've got a report that says it's shot up by 286%.
Oh, of course, it can be due to it. It has a positive aspect also, because most of our IVF clinics are working very tremendously, and most of our baby mothers are getting babies. But according to the current ART guidelines and all, we are not doing more than 3 embryo transfers.
Mitochondrial diseases are common?
Mitochondrial diseases occur 1 in 400 people. They could be severe, they could be mild, but they are there and they will be passed on through the maternal germline. So those are the ones which we are going to tackle. Preterm births is a genuine concern in India. It has actually been decreasing, but Kerala has shown a rise. And the rise could also be because of other factors like pollution, lifestyle. We don't know how much of plastics we are consuming. Is that the cause for it? You really cannot say what is the cause.